The New York City skyline is dotted with top-floor apartments that bear the designation of penthouse. But at 212 Fifth Avenue, the penthouse is much more than that. It's a place where design, history, and luxury exist alongside one another, producing a penthouse home that is as unique as it is awe-inspiring. The CEO of Amazon, Jeff Bezos, decided to buy this $80 million penthouse in New York City. 10,000 square feet of interior space pairs seamlessly with the 6,000 square feet of outdoor space. The original 1912 building melds with new additions that elevate this to one of the most covetable homes in Manhattan, if not the world. And it's all enveloped by the twinkling panorama of New York City. If you have not yet, hit that subscribe button and like the video. Also make sure you watch until the end, because we are going to be talking access directly via elevator. The Crown's foyer features gallery walls, begging to display one's private collection. The Crown has hosted pieces from the Westwood Gallery, including the works of Andy Warhol. One could make the claim that the Crown itself is a work of art, and the relationship between fine art and luxury residences is on full display at this very special residence. The multi-billionaire, Jeff Bezos, needs the tallest throne, and he found it at 212 Fifth Avenue, where he purchased a penthouse and the two other apartments below it. Bezos now owns nearly $100 million of real estate in the one building. There's speculation that he's going to combine them to make one home, but it hasn't been confirmed. Regardless, the penthouse designed by Pembroke and Ives is a spectacular piece of architecture, and we have the pictures to prove it. But of course, even the world's most impressive homes must still feel like home. The Crown's eventual resident will enjoy 5 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms, including a master suite that is at once massive and brilliantly designed. This home also features a wealth of spaces designed for leisure, reflection, and even entertaining. The grand room features northern, eastern, and southern exposures and is lit overhead by a massive skylight. The result is a space that elevates both intimate gatherings and larger soirees, while imbuing a sense of tranquility to quiet weekend afternoons spent in the company of loved ones. Meanwhile, a roof terrace offers an observation deck, which is sure to impress guests, but will ultimately act as an exclusive oasis for the Crown's lucky owner, offering a unique vantage point from which to survey their city. The luxury real estate landscape around Madison Square Park has changed dramatically over the past few years, with savvy buyers recognizing Nomad's incredible wealth of fine restaurants, cultural institutions, and of course, the universal appeal of living above a New York City park. The Crown represents Nomad's maturation into one of the most desirable neighborhoods in New York City, as well as the union of classic and contemporary architecture and design, and represents the rare opportunity to own a piece of real estate with all the appeal of show-stopping penthouses. Located 30 blocks north or south of 212 Fifth Avenue is a building that bridges the gap of modernity. It is a relevant link between centuries, a thread of continuity between the industrial and technological revolutions. The building was envisioned using thoroughly modern concepts. It is an early example of an open-plan skyscraper with oversized windows, built at a time and place in history when the logical formal outcome of that concept was too radical a proposition for its moment. The penthouse spans 10,000 square feet, with an addition of 5,000 square feet of outdoor space. The bronze staircase, terrace with a copper parapet and high-end finishes, are details Pembroke and Ives are renowned for. The triplex penthouse has 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, smart home technology, 4 exposures, a chef's kitchen, and enough closet space the richest man in the world could want. The gallery walls also make the Crown Jewel an art lover's paradise. The real highlights of the home include the observatory on the top floor, the huge skylight, a marble and glass fireplace in the library, and the 2 pools. Yes, we said 2. Building amenities include a fitness center, yoga studio, treatment room, playroom, game room, lounge, dining meeting room with catering kitchen, and screening room. An appraiser told the Journal the deal was the most expensive to close in New York this year, other than the massive $240 million won by the hedge fund billionaire Ken Griffin. Bezos is said to have been hunting for a home in New York for months. Bezos finalized his divorce from his wife of 25 years, Mackenzie Bezos, in April. He was spotted apartment hunting in Manhattan in April when a source told the New York Post he was looking for a new home now that he is single again. Bezos, who is worth over $100 billion, owns properties in Beverly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to watch our recent videos and hit that subscribe button to watch video like this every day.